Are you ready to make your money work harder for you? Today, I'm revealing 8 high-growth stocks that could skyrocket your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these picks are worth your attention. Let's dive in and set your investments on a path to success. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel name, where we simplify investing for you. If you're looking to grow your wealth, the right stock choices are key. Today, I'll break down 8 high-growth stocks, why they're worth considering, and how they could benefit your portfolio. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your research before investing. Ready? Let's go. Stock number 1. First up, Tesla. We all know Tesla revolutionized the EV market, but there's more. With cutting-edge AI, energy solutions, and expanding manufacturing, Tesla's potential isn't just in cars, it's in innovation. As EV adoption grows globally, Tesla is poised for long-term success. Stock number 2. Amazon continues to dominate e-commerce and cloud computing with Oz. Their consistent innovation, from AI to logistics, keeps them ahead of competitors. The holiday season and growing subscription services make it a stock worth watching. Stock number 3. Nvidia is shaping the future with its GPUs, powering AI, gaming, and data centers. As AI adoption explodes, Nvidia stands at the forefront, making it a high-growth opportunity in tech. Stock 4. E-commerce is booming, and Shopify is enabling businesses to succeed online. With its user-friendly platform and focus on small to medium-sized businesses, Shopify has significant growth potential. Stock number 5. For fans of big data and analytics, Palantir is a standout. Their solutions for governments and enterprises are in high demand, and their long-term contracts signal consistent revenue streams. Stock number 6. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is more than search engines. With its ventures into AI, self-driving cars, and cloud services, Alphabet is innovating in multiple high-growth areas. Stock number 7. AMD is gaining traction in semiconductors, competing strongly against Intel. Their chips are powering everything from gaming to AI, making them a key player in tech innovation. Stock number 8. Healthcare innovation is critical, and Moderna's mRNA technology has revolutionized vaccine development. With ongoing research into other treatments, it's a promising stock in the biotech sector. These are 8 high-growth stocks with incredible potential. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Which of these stocks are you most excited about? Or do you have a favorite high-growth stock that we didn't mention? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.